science experiment is rainbow rain. You need mineral oil, and you need a glass cup, small bowls.
Then you need water and food coloring and a medicine dropper. First, you put about 1 cup of mineral oil into a cup. Add a few drops of food coloring.
Use dropper to add color water into a mineral oil. This happens because water is more dense than oil. Look at the water.
Wow, so colorful. Drop.
It's kind of raining. That's why it's called raining rainbow.
Like rainbow inside the cup.
And the bubbles in there is changing color. Look at it in their bubbles.
Yeah.
And some mixed.
Thank you for watching.